In this video, I'm going to show you why you need Axiom right now. So over here, this is Axiom Pro. It's actually a great trading platform for meme coins. And in case you don't have an account yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, once you sign up for Axiom, here, let me explain why you need Axiom right now. So the first things first, what you need over here, you have Pulse. So if you go to Pulse, over here we've got new pairs, final stretches, and migrated coins. And what's great about this is you can set filters for each and every single one of these. And as you can see, you can filter through different protocols, search keywords, and then you can also set different ages, the top holders, dev holdings, snipers, etc. So you can set minimums and maximums for all of these over here for each of these three categories. And you can also select different metrics such as liquidity, volume, market cap, etc. And also the socials over here. So this already gives you a big advantage, but that's not even the best part. What's the best part in my opinion is if you go to trackers over here, you can go to customize feed on the right, and this is your Twitter tracker. So you can just track basically any Twitter handle. You can add it manually or just add these from top subscriptions over here by clicking this plus icon. And then once you have these on your list, you can do different things and different actions over here. And you can then see your Twitter alerts over here. But what's also great is wherever you are, you can just pin this to your screen by clicking Twitter tracker down below. And as you can see, I'm going to pin this to my left. There we go. It's over here and it's here to stay no matter to which screen I go. And it will always stay here so we can always find those juiciest of the coins out there. Now, it's also got a wallet tracker. So if I show you this, you can track wallets. It's also very, very convenient over here. So you can go to live trades and actually see live trades that you are tracking via this wallet tracker over here, which is of course amazing, and many platforms don't even have this or isn't even free, especially the Twitter tracker. And then you also have the P&L tracker over here. You can just click this and you can basically pin this wherever you want to on your screen, just like that, and then you will always stay on top and you can see how you're doing, so you don't always have to look up here or basically just scroll through your portfolio. Now, that's one thing, but the second part, which is really amazing, is this rewards program over here. Let me show you what this does. So if I go to their docs over here, they have a rewards program, the referral program. Basically, each and every single person you refer to their program, you will get 30% of their fees. So basically, they don't have to pay any fees extra, but you will get 30% of the fees they have to pay to Axiom. So this is kind of as a reward, and then you will get 3% to the indirect referrals, and then 2% to the third tier. Now, this is the first part, but that's not even the best part. They also have a reward system. And basically, for every trading activity you engage in, you will receive rewards, and it will basically earn you Solana for each of your trades. So you can just trade, so buy and sell, and you will naturally get pop-ups up here under notifications, and it will say you have earned this much Solana, and you can just claim it, and it's basically just free Solana. You can then trade, use, withdraw, whatever you want to do with it, because as you can see, they offer cashbacks over here because you are trading using their platform. So those are the reasons why I think you need Axiom right now, and again, there's a link down below, as I said. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.